obviously in the black color. This is the original 1.0 version that I got. She's well loved, and that is part of the purpose of this video. I'm actually going to be doing a quick little revamp of this bag. I'm not sure if you can see. I mean, she's overall not in bad condition. And this has been my entryway to Mina Baie, but you can see that there's quite a bit of wear, like right here. There we go, right there. So where the leather is actually worn off, and you can kind of see that white mark there. Let's see. There we go. See if I can get my camera to focus. There we go. So that's just probably my main concerns with this bag is that corner wear. The ones on the back are not, they're not as noticeable. They're definitely not as bad as the ones in the front. So obviously I just want to revamp her a little bit. I'm going to be cleaning her up. Before I do that, I'm going to remove any tassels and stuff like that. So these ones are some tassels I got from Michael's that I'm going to be taking off, and then I'm just going to clean her up. To clean her, I'm just going to use some Huggies Natural Care wipes, and these are, I believe they're 99% water. They work great on Louis Vuitton vachetta, so I definitely don't see them doing any harm to Mina Baie leather. And then I just have a microfiber cloth. This one's brand new. It's super soft. You can use it on leather seats. I use it also to clean my Louis Vuitton bags. And then I have some leather conditioner. This is also something that I use on mainly Louis Vuitton vachetta. It doesn't darken leather, so not that I have that concern with this bag, but if you're thinking of using something for other bags with a lighter color, this is clear, so you don't have to worry about it darkening the leather or transferring any color. So it's just a good option to have. And then I picked this up at Michael's, and this is actually a leather paint. So it's a leather and vinyl paint that I actually saw some other reviews on YouTube, not on a Mina Baie, on a different, actually on a Chanel bag. So I definitely decided, you know, if it can work on a Chanel, it should definitely work on a Mina Baie. So I just have a couple of Q-tips that I'm going to be using to apply it, specifically in those two corners that I showed you guys. And I'm just going to protect my surface with some pliers, and that's pretty much it. So before I go into that, I just want to again show you guys how the bag looks now. Now in the daylight I could actually see some more scuffing around here, which I'm trying to see if I can see it now, but I think it's nighttime now. My kids are sleeping, so it's the only time I have to film, but I'm not sure if it's catching it. In the sunlight I can really see like there was some scuffing here. Yeah, I'm not seeing it now. So those are my main concerns, would be those two corners. I'm going to clean up the bag entirely, condition it, and then I will be finishing this video to show you guys how she looks. Alright guys, so it's morning now. I let the bag dry overnight and just wanted to show you guys how it turned out. Just by cleaning it alone and conditioning the leather It's so much softer and smushier. And I was actually having an issue getting it into the closure here prior to conditioning it, and it's actually really easy now. And if anything, the magnet feels even stronger than before. So that was one of my concerns that I had, was that I found it really difficult to close the bag after I had opened it, and I was kind of avoiding opening it when I was at the store and whatnot. So I'm really happy with that. As far as the treating of the peeled corners, that's how it turned out. So you can barely even notice. It's got a little bit more glare. It's a little bit shinier than the pebbled leather. So I'm gonna try and like block the glare. So that's how it looks, all finished up. And by looking at it just like that, I personally wouldn't know that there's anything wrong with it. If I didn't disclose it, I don't think it would be even noticeable unless you know what you're looking for. So I'm really happy with the results. And if you're wondering why I would do this, for myself being in Canada, purchasing a Mina Baie directly from the website, plus shipping, duties, and the retail price of the bag was more than I wanted to spend on a bag that I hadn't tried before. So I was able to get this for a really good deal locally. And by covering the wear, it almost feels like it's new to me. So really happy again with the results that I got. Just a disclaimer, everything that you, if you watch this video and you want to try anything, definitely do it at your own risk. These are the products that I used. But again, I'm not responsible if you mess up your bag. Try in a small area, and then once you feel comfortable and confident with the results, then you can do the whole bag. I've used these products before, well, particularly this one, on different bags, on Louis Vuittons, like I mentioned at the beginning of my video. So I know that it's a pretty safe product and very easy to use. And just to clean it, I used water wipes, but you could just use any damp cloth, I think, and then just let it dry, and then of course condition it, because you don't want to dry out the leather, and you don't want to like crazy, like really abrasively wipe it down. Just like a quick wipe down to get any like dirt off of the leather is what I would do. And for that, I just used a microfiber cloth to buff in the conditioner. So again, that's how it turned out. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. And just something that I didn't do that I would recommend is actually wear gloves, because you'll get some of it on your hands, and I've noticed it's not coming out too easy. So definitely wear gloves. It's supposed to not peel now or chip, so I'll let you guys know how that goes over time. But overall, for now, I'm happy with it. And I think I paid for the leather paint just about $3-4 after my coupon at Michael's. So definitely worth the investment if you want to try something like that. Well, that's all for now. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.